Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to block calls on Messenger. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Messenger app. Now let's get into the contact we'd like to block the call from. Now simply click on this eye icon over here on the top right and scroll down and click on block. Once you click on block, you'll be able to block both chat and call from this contact. But if you want to block all the calls from Messenger, what we can do is simply get into settings and search for Messenger app. So let's click on this one and let's click on permission and open camera and don't allow, and let's get back and click on microphone and don't allow. Now we have restricted Messenger from using the permissions required for calling, after which the call will be blocked in Messenger. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.